The Earthquake Badger Tiller 38040 is equipped with a powerful 140 cubic centimeter, 4-cycle Briggs and Stratton engine, ensuring exceptional soil turning capabilities. Its 2-position wheel assembly allows for effortless transport and enhanced control during deep tilling tasks, adapting seamlessly to different gardening needs. Adjusting the tilling width is a simple, tool-free process, ranging from 11 inches to 21 inches, providing versatility for various garden sizes. The compact frame and balanced weight distribution of the Badger tiller offer excellent maneuverability in confined spaces and stability when pivoting at the end of garden rows. Built to last, the tiller features airless wheels, robust forged tines, and an all-steel construction, making it a durable choice for passionate gardeners. Supported by a United States-based customer support team, Earthquake products, including the Badger tiller, offer a 5-year limited warranty, ensuring peace of mind for users.